Yeah, what's up YouTube? Back again, another quick video for you today, and in this one we're going to be talking about this product. It's the M68 portable speaker by a company called MusiBaby, and it's a Bluetooth portable speaker, obviously. Now I have been using this, but I've just stuck it back in the box for YouTube so we can just do a quick unboxing. You can see what you get. Nothing special packaging wise, you know, just a nice box, etc. But in the box itself we've got the just a little box there, standard USB, micro USB cable, just simple, and the product itself, which is, to be fair, it's pretty well made. Yeah, for the price, £28.52p. At the time of doing this video for you, on Amazon there is a voucher offer as well that you click on, and then you'll get like 15% off at the checkout if you do purchase this. Actually, it does say it's valid until the 3rd of September 2022, so yeah, you can get a bit more discount on it as well. Anyway, so I was looking at a few speakers. I've had a few in the past. I didn't want to spend too much because I don't use them that often, but summer's coming, I'll be up the lakes, etc., and chilling, that sort of thing, barbecues. I just wanted something that we can fire up with the phones, etc., and get some nice sound. Anyway, this one, it seems to, once you put it down on the table, you get sort of, or anything solid, you get a bit more bass out of it for some reason. Don't know how that works, but anyway, we'll just go quickly over the specs. So it's, like I said, Bluetooth speaker. It is splash proof, so it does say you can take it in with a shower, you know, if it gets a bit of rain on it, etc. It's not going to be an issue. We've got Bluetooth 5.0. You can pair these up to another one, or so you can use them like a stereo setup if you want to, but I've only got the one, that'll do me. Yeah, so it's got 1500 minutes playback time, allegedly. When I've been using it, you know, we've not had an issue. It's been playing for all the time we've wanted the music to be playing, so yeah, good enough for me. Okay, so we've got a little rubber, can we see that? Just a little rubber area here that shows you the sockets there if you wanted to put your own audio jack in, just your standard audio jack there, then you can stream your music straight into it without using Bluetooth if you wanted to. We've got the USB adapter there, so you can charge the device, I think. Hang on, how did we charge this? Let me just check with the... Yeah, so we've got the... Yeah, so sorry. So if you want to use a, say, a USB stick, or, you know, dongle with some music on, just plug it straight into there, then that'll be picked up as well. It has got a micro SD slot, if we can just see that below the USB, so you can have all your music on a SD card, stick it in there and stream away, no problem. And then we've got the power on button there, which is also the play button. Little bit of a chime. We've got a little blue light to say it's connected. Once it's connected, the blue light stays on all the time. When it's flashing, it's not connected to any devices. And then we've just got the standard charging port there. Like I said, it takes a few hours to charge, and then you're good to go for the day. But yeah, it's a definite win. I'll just whack a bit of music on, and then you can have a quick listen to how it sounds. You're not going to get the full effect through this, but yeah, it is definitely... It's got a nice bass. You might be able to tell the difference once I put it down on the desk. You'll hear the difference in the bass as well. So yeah, it's definitely a little ideal product to stick in your bag when you go away for the day, down the beach, whatever, and yeah, have a bit of fun with some music. And for the price, less than £30, with an extra 15% off up until September, it's yeah, it's a definite win for me. So there you go. It's the M68 portable speaker, Bluetooth 5.0, less than £30. It's another win. So just give you a quick spec on the dimensions anyway. So we've got the total height of it is just under 5 inches, and the width of it is just under 3 inches. So it is portable. It will fit in a pocket, hopefully. But yeah, I just thought I'd show this one to you. It's another definite win. Anybody looking for a speaker, don't want to be paying the earth for it, it's a definite win. Let's turn that off. I had it plugged into the computer's sound. But yeah, you can plug it into your TV. Oh, sorry, you can Bluetooth from your TV, your computer, your iPad, your tablet, anything you want, anything with Bluetooth that produces sound. It's going to work with that as well. It did come with a little strap. That's disappeared. I don't know where that's gone, but there was a little strap in a box as well that went through there. And then you could have, you could just hold it, whatever. But yeah, it's for the price, it's a definite win. It's well made, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it yourself as well. Anyway, don't forget, please, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and we'll carry on making these videos. I haven't made many recently, but I'm going to crack on with a few more. Okay, see you in the next one. Peace.